How to install Alight Motion for your PC. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. For this, I will take a reference to the official browser here and search for Alight Motion download. That is it even possible to download this app on your PC, because that it is only launched for the mobile version. As you can see on the official website, Alight Motion download, the app name, latest version, yeah, app size is 193 MB, license is free, and how you can basically install it. As you can see, it is only available for the mobile phone, or there is only version available for that can be used on the mobile phone. So I will search a light motion download the PC and then again click on the official website. But as you can see that there is no direct results, or there is no direct application to simply download the Alight Motion for your PC. Instead, you can only use it on your mobile phone. So you have to use it on phone, or instead you can wait for the PC version to be launched here on the official website. Thank you so much for watching this video.